Okay, it's my earning journey dated 25/05/25, and let's go to the official Telegram channel and see the signal. It's given as HIB and buy more. So we go to the Blue PP again, and we directly go to the codes. That is the bottom second. It's written codes. We click the codes and we find the signal as HIB. We click buy. And the indication is buy more, and we confirm. That is how we trade the Bull BP trading. It's easy and simple trading.